how to find someone on Snapchat without username. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the add icon as shown. Here, you can add friends on Snapchat by looking them up or adding them from the friend suggestions below the Find Friends section. If you don't know the username of the person that you're looking for, then tap on All Contacts as shown. You can select full access to find your friends or select limited access for individual contacts to be automatically added as friends. Tap on Open Settings. In the Snapchat settings page, go to Contacts. Under Contacts Access section, tap on Full Access. Tap on Allow Full Access to allow full access to contacts. Snapchat will be able to access all of your contacts, including any you add or edit in the future. Now go back to the Snapchat Add Friends page. Tap on All Contacts as shown. Here, you can scroll down and find all your contacts that are already on Snapchat but not added to you. Following these steps, you can easily find someone on Snapchat without username.